In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view your comment history on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then navigate to your profile. Then hit Add menu icon and select your activity. On the next step, hit Add interactions and then comments. That will show you all your comments that you have ever left on Instagram. You can scroll down to find all of your comments. Even you can sort them by hitting Add Sort filter, and then you will be able to sort comments from newest to oldest, oldest to newest. Also, you can sort them by author, start date and end date. And once you find some comment, let's say you want to delete some comment that you have left before, all you have to do is just tap at that comment. That will open up the post and the comment that is highlighted. That is my old comment. I can just swipe to the left to remove it by hitting at that trash icon, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.